So here we are, the final showdown in Rally Challenges. The RC Model Challenge will test the driving skills not only of the drivers, but also their co-pilots. The co-pilots will complete this circuit with the R5 RC model and then pass the baton on to their teammate. So who's your money on? Kalle and Jonna, or Juuso and Tapio? Blue or green? Right, here we go. First on the track is Jonna. In the driving seat, at least, kinda. Nice job, look at that, great speed and control. Oops, slight argument with the cone there, but he's back on track and it's time for Kalle to show us why he's really in the driving seat. Look at this. Poetry in motion. Beautiful. Now the donuts have burned some rubber. And into the final stretch. That's a cracking time. Let's see what the second crew can do. Tapio starts and this doesn't look good. Bit of finger trouble with the remote there. Nice recovery though. It's Rallycross now. Oh, come on Tapio, you can do better than this, man. Nightmare drive by Tapio, and it's Juuso's turn to try and save the day. He'll need the drive of his life. Quality skills by Juuso, but Tapio's poor performance left his teammate with a mountain to climb. So it's a full house for Kalle and Jonna, who were quicker than Juuso and Tapio by almost 20 seconds. 3 wins out of 3 in our Rally Challenges series. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.